Nitong umaga ng Martes, April 21, 2026, ginanap ang oath-taking ng newly registered physicians sa SMX Convention Center sa Pasay City. Present doon ang top 1 sa March 2026 Physicians Licensure Examination o PLE na si Licensed Physician Erwin Ken Parchaso. Tinalakay ni Parchaso sa kanyang speech ang tungkol sa pagkaka-withhold sa pangalan niya. Matatandaan kasing unang inilabas ng Professional Regulation Commission o PRC ang resulta ng board exam noong April 8, 2026 kung saan name withheld ang nakalagay sa top 1. In-update ng komisyon ang listahan ng top-notchers noong April 17 at doon na inilabas ang pangalan ni Parchaso na kumpirmadong top 1 sa naturang exam.
Good afternoon to the members of the Professional Regulation Commission, the Philippine Medical Association, the Board of Medicine, faculty members, proud parents, and my fellow new physicians. Hello. Yes, that's my name, I was told. And no, my name is not named withheld. I know there was some confusion. I know there was some confusion about that, but I'm here today, very much real, very much grateful.
Kasunod nito ay binalikan ni Erwin ang mga hirap na pinagdaanan bago maging licensed physician dahil naniniwala siyang may mga taong kailangang makarinig nito. Ayon sa kanya, pangatlong take niya na ng board exam ngayong taon dahil bumagsak siya sa kanyang unang take at hindi naman siya natuloy sa dapat pangalawang take niya ng licensure exam. Naramdaman daw kasi niya sa second take niya ng board exam na hindi pa raw siya handa noong araw na yon. Ikinuwento rin ni Erwin na nabuntis ang kanyang partner, na nooy girlfriend pa lamang niya, noong kasagsagan ng pagre-review niya para sa una niyang take ng licensure exam. Kasabay ng pagre-review niya at sa plano niyang maging doktor, sinabi niyang na-overwhelmed daw siya sa napipintong responsibilidad dahil wala sa plano ang pagbubuntis ng kanyang partner. Inamin niyang na-rattle siya noong panahong iyon, kaya hindi siya pumasa sa unang take hindi dahil sa hindi siya smart enough kundi dahil life happened. Pero ayon sa kanya, wala raw siyang pinagsisisihan dahil nabigyan siya ng pamilyang itinuturing niyang mas mahalaga kaysa sa lisensya.
I want to share a bit of my journey because I believe someone out there needs to hear it. I'm a retaker. Well, supposedly a third taker. But on my second attempt, I didn't even show up. I sat at home, stared at my books, and admitted I'm not ready. Let me take you back to my very first take. I was deep in sleepless nights, coffee gone cold, heart racing. Then came news that stopped me. My girlfriend, now my wonderful wife, told me she was pregnant. It wasn't in our plan, not at the moment. We weren't ready, or so we thought. I was rattled. My mind couldn't focus on textbooks when my heart was already somewhere else. Thinking about the future, about the little life coming, about how I could possibly be both a father and a doctor. I failed that first take, not because I wasn't smart enough, but because life happened. And honestly, I wouldn't trade that failure for anything. It gave me something more valuable than the license. It gave me my family.
Kasunod nito ay ibinahagi ni Erwin na nalalapit noon ang panganganak ng kanyang partner nang mag-review naman siya para sa second take ng exam. At dahil hindi niya naibigay ang best niya sa pagre-review, sinabi niyang pakiramdam daw niya ay disservice umano ito para sa pangarap niyang maging lisensyadong doktor. Kaya nanatili na lang daw siya sa kanilang bahay at sinabihan niya ang kanyang partner na asawa niya na ngayon na not yet, but soon. Ayon pa sa kanya, ang pagkakataon daw na iyon ay nagbigay umano sa kanya ng oras para makapagpahinga at makapag-recharge.
By my second take, I had a baby on the way and a wife finding her way through motherhood. The sleepless nights were different now. Less studying, more running for my wife's cravings. I knew that walking into that exam hall would have been a disservice to myself and to the dream that I still wanted to honor. So I stayed home, held my wife, and told her not yet, but soon. That decision gave me time to breathe, to heal, to prepare. Not just academically, but mentally and emotionally.
Hanggang sa dumating na nga ang kanyang third take noong nakaraang buwan. Matatanda ang naganap ang March 2026 Physician's Licensure Examination noong March 23, 24, 30, and 31, 2026. Ayon sa kanya, naiyak daw siya nang lumabas ang resulta ng nasabing exam dahil hindi raw niya nakita ang pangalan niya sa listahan ng mga nakapasa. Pabiro pa niyang sinabi na si name withheld umano ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya pumasa sa exam, kaya buti nga raw sa taong iyon dahil under investigation ito. Ngunit laking gulat daw niya nang ilabas na sa wakas ang pangalan ng top 1. Siya pala ang tinutukoy na name withheld. Ayon pa sa kanya, isa raw iyong plot twist na hindi niya in-expect.
When I finally stood at the testing center this March, I wasn't perfect, but I was ready. After my third take, the waiting began. When the results came out, I didn't see my name. I was crying outside our house. I saw that the top notcher was name withheld and under investigation. Sabi ko, siya siguro ang rason bakit hindi ako pumasa. Hindi ako pasok sa curve dahil sa kanya. Buti na sa kanya. Under investigation. Speculations started. People talk, some assumed the worst. Then came the plot twist I never expected. That name withheld I was blaming, it was me.
Wow.
I was crying over my own name, wishing ill on myself without knowing it. When I found out I was the top notcher, I laughed and I cried at the same time. But mostly I learned something. Sometimes the biggest obstacle isn't the exam, or the PRC, or the curve. It's ourselves. Once I got past that, I was finally free. And that brings me to you.
Sunod na ibinahagi ni Erwin ang mensahe niya para sa mga nag-take ng board exam at bumagsak. Ayon sa kanya, alam daw niya ang pakiramdam dahil inabot siya ng 10 taon para maging isang lisensyadong doktor.
I want to speak directly to those of you who have taken this exam more than once. Those who have felt the sting of a failing score. Those who have watched batchmates move on while you stayed behind. I was you. 10 years. That's how long it took me to become a licensed doctor. Medicine alone, not including the lab. 10 years of carrying a dream that felt heavier every time I fell short. There were nights I cried in the dark so my wife wouldn't hear. Nights I held my child and wondered if I was failing him too. Nights I stared at my books until the words blurred and asked God, why can't I just get this right? My second take I didn't even show up. I sat at home while others walked into the exam center. I told myself I wasn't ready. But the truth, I was afraid. Afraid of failing again. Afraid of disappointing everyone who believed in me. Afraid that maybe, just maybe, I wasn't meant to be a doctor. That fear almost broke me. But here's what I learned in those 10 years. You don't have to be unbreakable to be strong. You just have to keep showing up, even when it hurts, even when you're embarrassed, even when you want to disappear. I know what it's like to smile at family gatherings and pretend everything is fine. To carry the weight of not yet, while everyone around you seems to have already arrived. But listen carefully, you are not behind. You are not a failure. You are not your past scores. Those years were not wasted. They were preparing you for patience, for humility, for the kind of compassion you can only learn through your own suffering. When you finally stand where I'm standing, and you will, you'll understand the title doctor means more when you walk through the fire. Earn it. So please don't give up. Not because it's easy, but because you're still here. And being here, still trying, still hoping, still believing, is already a proof that you have what it takes. It took 10 long, painful, beautiful years, and I would walk every single one of them again. If it meant standing here today telling you, we can do it. You can do it. And when you do, it will be worth every tear.
Sa puntong iyon ay pinasalamatan ni Erwin ang mga naging instrumento para sa tagumpay niya. Nagbigay din siya ng mensahe para sa mga kapwa examinees na pumasa sa licensure exam.
To my fellow new physicians, you made it. Whether this was your first take or your 10th, whether you passed with flying colors or by single point, whether your name was withheld or published immediately, we are here. And no one can take that away from us. I dedicate this top one to all of us who made it through the hardships and those who will still be taking the exam. Your time is coming.
Amen.
The road was hard. Some of us lost sleep, some lost hope for a while. Some had to learn that being a doctor starts long before you have your license. It starts with courage, humility, and refusing to give up on the people who needs us. So as we take our oath today, with tears or with smiles, let us remember, we are not just passing an exam, we are answering a calling. Go, heal, serve, and never forget where you came from. Congratulations, my fellow doctors.
Matatanda ang inanunsyo ng PRC na 1,954 out of 2,781 examinees ang nakapasa sa March 2026 Physician's Licensure Examination. Tinapos ni Erwin ang speech niyang may halong biro kaugnay ng issue ng pagiging top 1 niya sa exam.
And finally, let me introduce myself properly. I am Erwin Ken Angkol Parchaso, not withheld, not hidden, just here. God bless us all.